The Sales Up data views for Creatio product allows to display records of any system objects in non-standard formats. Displaying data in formats different from the register makes it possible to analyze them faster and more conveniently. The data becomes more logical without the need to study it in detail. There are currently two types of views available: Gantt chart and Kanban board. On the Gantt chart, it is convenient to display records of objects that have a start date and end date, for example, a project or an agreement. The chart allows you to track the dates and progress of the record, control deviations from the schedule, and change the timing and duration of the record. While working with the chart, it is possible to customize the displayed register columns, grouping columns, editable columns, and other parameters. Dates can be changed from the chart interface by simply dragging and dropping the entire row, or either the start or end date. It is also possible to add connections between records and set up custom row coloring, which further increases the efficiency and convenience when working with the Gantt chart. On the Kanban board, it is comfortable to display records of objects that have a status or stage. And these are the majority of the system sections, so the display can be configured for many different objects, for example, order, sales, invoice, cases, and others. Kanban board allows you to monitor the status of records and the process of working with the record, control the transition conditions between statuses, and change stages in the convenient interface. While working with the board, it is possible to customize the format for displaying fields on the card, columns for grouping records, and other parameters. You can change statuses from the board interface by simply dragging a card to the corresponding status. At the same time, the system takes into account possible transitions if cases are set up for the section, like from one status it may be possible to transfer a record not to any, but only to some specific statuses. Moreover, a user has the ability to personalize custom line, highlighting with colors, which increases efficiency and convenience when working with the Kanban board. Other data display options, such as hierarchical register or a calendar, will be available soon. The product is extensive and multifunctional, and all these displays are not tied to specific sections. They can be configured for any section of the system, both standard and custom, or installed with any other product. So, the mentioned display formats are a perfect match with the issue section from the Sales Up project management for Creatio product.